Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope of that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you all are well, you all are good, and hope of that you enjoy my teaching. Today we are going to discuss about our important topic, which is very important, very necessary to understand it. Because it is very important and always asked, oftenly asked in competitive exam as well. Today we are going to discuss about creative writing. Okay, creative writing is a very important topic. It is also important to understand it is a very important topic through which you can express yourself with the good or innovative devices like imagination, creativity, or creative skill as well, descriptive language as well. Okay, before to start our today learning, before to start our today topic, I want to share with you a beautiful quote of Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci is a very famous artist. He is well known because of his creativity, because of his love for learning, love for our artists, love for art as well. He has given a very good masterpiece painting, which is renowned as a which is Mona Lisa, which is renowned as a Mona Lisa. He want to say that he has given a very beautiful quote. He has shared with us a beautiful quote. He want to say that learning does not exhaust the mind. Learning does not exhaust our mind. Okay, he want to say that whenever we try to read some books, whenever we try to read many books like novels, short stories, or fiction, non-fiction, at that time you also increase your vocabulary, you also encourage your mind, you also make your mind strong rather than weaker. Okay, he want to say that learning is a good thing. Learning does not weak our mind. He want to say that, he want to give us the message that if I want to make our mind strong, at that time we also need to very care, and we also consume our time to read many books, so that we can make our mind strong, so that we can make our mind very strong, very sharp. Okay, hope of that you understand it. Hope of that you also understand the meaning of this quote. So let's start our today learning. Today learning we are going to discuss about creative writing. Okay, creative writing is a form of writing. Okay, as you better know that writing also has many forms, but here we are going to discuss about creative writing. Okay, creative writing is a form of writing that expresses ideas, feelings, imagination, and creativity. Means to say, whenever we talk about creative writing, at that time you also keep in mind that it expresses ideas, it expresses emotions, it expresses imagination, and it also expresses creativity as well. Okay, means to say these four things design creative writing: ideas, imagination, feelings, and creativity. Okay, it is different from academic or technical writing. Okay, creative writing is different from different from academic or technical writing because it focuses on storytelling and artistic expression. Okay, means to say it creative writing emphasis on storytelling and artistic expression. Clear? And here we are going to discuss about some features of creative writing, because many students, many viewers always ask me regarding how many features, what are the features of creative writing. Okay, here I want to share with you some features of creative writing. First one is imagination, descriptive language, plot and setting. Means to say, whenever you try to write creative writing, at that time you also keep in mind all these features, and then you will able to write in a good way, in an easy way, like that: imagination, descriptive language, plot and setting. Okay, you cannot able to write any story if you have not plot, if you have not particular setting as well. Okay, and fourth one is originality, and fifth one character development, and sixth one emotional impact. Means to say, if your story has not emotion, it does not give a reality, it does not give the originality as well. Okay, so we also include all these things all these things to make creative writing. Okay, types of creative writing. These are some types of creative writing: short stories, novels, poetry, plays and scripts, personal narrative, and essays with a creative style. Okay, all these these all are the types of creative writings. Okay, I want to repeat it: short stories, novels, poetry, plays and scripts, and personal narrative and essays with a creative style. And here I want to share with you an example of creative writing. Okay, here I want to give you a good example which I want to share with you. A young boy named Madhav dreamed of becoming a successful businessman. Okay, a young boy named Madhav dreamed of becoming a successful businessman. He was intelligent, but he lacked confidence and was afraid to speak in front of others. Okay, to speak in front of others. One day, his teacher, Mr. Khan, encouraged him to participate speech competition. Means to say, this is always our teacher who encourages us, who give us the message of encouragement, who always encourage us, like that. He always say that you can do it. She always say you can do it. Okay, all these words also encourage students. Okay, if a teacher also has not this feature, like that motivation, he or she cannot become a good teacher. Okay, I want to say that our teacher also has the feature in him or herself. If you want to become a good teacher, he or she also adopt the good motivation, the part of good motivation. Okay, although he was nervous. Okay, it means to say first he was nervous, means Madhav was nervous. Although he was nervous, and then Madhav practiced every day. Every day, on the day of competition, he spoke clearly and confidently. Okay, that that experience changed his life. Okay, means to say, first Madhav was silent. Then he started to speak in front of others. Then he expressed himself in front of others. Okay, and this is also possible with the sport of his good teacher, Mr. Khan. Okay, and he realized confidence means moving forward despite fear, means to say, but a good thing he want to say, he observed that confidence means moving forward despite fear. Okay, and from that day onward, Madhav believed in himself and continued to achieve success in his career. Okay, this is the creative writing. This is the example of creative writing, and you also try to write creative writing with the help of all these features, with the help of all these features which I have shared with you. You also try to make rehearsal regarding it, so that you also can become a good writer as well. uh, I have one humble request to you, that dear viewers, please subscribe my channel, and please share my lectures with your friends. Thank you so much.